Simon Toohey here, the ambassador of Dilmah tea, and I have a dish for you that I think you are gonna love. I'm using the new Arana range from Dilmah. This is the Detox. It has beautiful ingredients in there. Sarsaparilla, Holy Basil, and honeybush. Native all to Sri Lanka. And this is the natural herbal infusion range. It's beautiful. And the dish I'm gonna be making is a detox style, fresh, light, bright, a little snacky, not too heavy. And I'm starting by getting some baby cos lettuce. They take on a beautiful amount of heat. So I'm cutting the cos lettuce in half, rubbing my hands in oil, and then rubbing my hands over the lettuce. And then placing the lettuce on the stovetop with the flame on. Once they're done, take it off the heat and let it sit to the side. Don't overcook them. You still want it to have its integrity. From there, we're gonna make the dressing. Now the dressing is using the beautiful detox tea, the Arana range from Dilmah, steeping that as a regular tea like you normally would. While the baby cos is hanging out on the side, what I want you to do is segment an orange. Take the skins off the outside of the orange, the peely bit, take all the whites off. You want all the pith gone because that's the bitter part. You don't want that. And then finding the little segments, you know when you get the segments of regular orange, you do the same thing with this. You just get, instead of peeling it, you just use your knife and cut inside the two white lines that you can see and keep going around and you get perfect little segments. But whatever orange is left over, squeeze into a bowl because that's gonna be part of the dressing. And speaking of dressing, I've got a beautiful tea brewed of the detox tea from the Arana range with Dilmah, and I'm pouring half of that cup of tea into the orange juice. On top of that, I'm adding some oil, this time hazelnut oil, but you can use olive oil, you can use vegetable oil, any kind of oil will do fine. Finally, a little bit of sweetness. So I've got maple syrup, and then some lemon juice from acidity, and a bit of salt. Whiz that together until it emulsifies and comes with a nice, beautiful dressing. We are pretty much ready to plate up. That's how quick and easy this dish is. I have some roasted hazelnuts. You can roast them pre, or you can buy them, perfectly fine. Either is good. Place your baby cos lettuce on a plate. With the segments of the orange, squeeze the segments inside the segments of the lettuce. Crunch up your hazelnuts, pour the hazelnuts on top, and then your beautiful dressing. Really fresh, really light. Put it all together, and you have a gorgeous detox style salad with good fats from the nuts, good acidity from the fresh fruit, and gorgeous, gorgeous tea and fresh bitter leaves.